Memory's gone.
Again.
Press stop for a minute. Turn, stop.
Sometimes I get to feel I was back in the old days, long ago. When we were kids, when we were young, things seemed so perfect. Yeah. The days were endless, we were crazy, we were young. The sun was always shining, we just lived for fun. Sometimes it seems like lately, I just don't know. Rest of my life's been just a show.
Cameras.
Those were the days of our lives. The bad things in life were so few. Those days are all gone now. One thing is true. When I look and I find I still love you. You can't turn back the time. Gotta show. I'd like to go back one time on a roller coaster ride. That's just a game. No use in sitting and thinking of what to do. And you can lay back and enjoy the good games. Sometimes it seems like lately, I just don't know. Better sit back and go with the flow. These are the days of our lives. Float in the swiftness of time. These days are all gone now, but some things remain. When I look and I find no change.
Get some pictures now, eh?
If you can't hear what I'm trying to say, if you can't read from the same page, maybe I'm going deaf, maybe I'm going blind, maybe I'm out of my mind. Okay, now he was close, tried to domesticate you, but you're an animal, baby, it's in your nature. Just let me liberate you. You don't need no try to domesticate you, but you're an animal. Baby, it's in your nature. Just let me liberate you. You don't need no papers. That man is not your maker, and that's why I'm gonna take you good girls. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. You're a good girl. Can't let it get past me. No far from plastic. Talking about getting blasted. Everybody get up. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. But you're a good girl. The way you
Hustle gang, homie.
must wanna get nasty.
Let go. Hey, say Rob.
Go ahead,
Let me holler at him right quick.
DJ, one thing I ask you. Let me be the one you bet that ass to. Go from Malibu to Paribu. Yeah, I can have a bitch, but she ain't bad to you. So hit me up when you pass through. I give you something big enough to tell your ass to. Swag on them even when you drag casual. I mean, it's almost unbearable.